Mortals love to call my kind children of the heavens. Children. You measure age in winters. I measure it in collapsing stars. I was there when the first kings begged the sky for meaning, and I watched as their prayers turned into wars. I have seen empires rise like proud flames and gutter into ash, for their monuments cooled. And you still dare to speak of destiny as though it were a promise. You think the cosmos owes you justice. It owes you nothing. But tonight, I will grant you something rarer than justice. I will grant you attention.